continuing lesson 2.7. Okay, and today what we're going to start looking at is we're going to actually look at sales tax and discounts. Now this is a review from the summer. Okay, so let's kind of get our wheels turning and think about things that we already know. Sales tax. What are some things that we need to do here? Sales tax. What are some things that need to happen? Okay.
Multiply for number 5, it'd be 24.99 times 0.06.
Nice job. Okay, so you're going to take the 24.99. Now he said 0.06. It's because you've got to take that percent and move it 2 spots to the left there. Okay, make it a decimal. So you're going to take 24.99 times 0.06. Now guys, rounding is going to be really important. Okay, so on your calculator, go ahead and take 24.99 times 0.06. Okay, and what is that going to round off to? Because I see 1.4994. So what does that round to?
1.5.
1.5, right?
Oh.
Right? Okay, you're always going to be looking at that third number. Okay, so that third number is going to kick it up. Well, if it's at a 49, it's going to get kicked to a 50. Okay, so you actually have $1.50 in sales tax. Now, does anybody know what we do with those numbers? Yeah, Alexis?
You add the 150 to 24.99.
Very good. So you're going to take your $24.99 and add on the 150. Okay, and what do we end up with there?
26.49.
Good, $26.49. And notice I'm labeling. Okay? So just to review real quick, make sure you make your percent a decimal by moving it 2 spots over. We're going to multiply, watch your rounding, okay? And then it's either going to be addition or subtraction depending on what we're looking at. Okay? Alright, so if we look at number 6 here, it says a picture frame originally priced at $14.89 is on sale for 40% off. What is the discounted price? Alright, so what do we need to do here first? James, start us off.
Aren't you just doing the same thing but subtracting it after you get the... So 14.89 multiplied by 0.40.
Yes.
Whatever you get.
Good, so move it 2 spots over. Okay, so 0.4. Alright, so go ahead and take your $14.89 times 0.4. Okay, and what are you going to end up with here? What's your rounding going to look like?
5.9.
Well, so if it's .956, what's that answer going to be? 96. So $5.96. Watch the rounding. Okay, to half a point if you're off a penny. Okay. All right. So now, what are you going to do with that $5.96, James?
Subtract it from 14.89.
Very good. So $14.89 minus $5.96. Okay. And what do we end up with there? Very good. I get $8.93. Okay, would be the price of your whatever. What is that here? Picture frame. Okay. Anybody have a question on that? No. Anybody else? Okay. So now let's take a look here at number 7. What we're going to be looking at here is we've got a phone that is $499 with a 25% discount, and the sales tax is 7.5%. Okay. So now what are we going to do here?
That would be the sales tax first.
They can only tax you on what you pay.
Discount first.
Discount first. Okay. So we're going to do discount first. Okay. So step 1, discount. So I'm going to take the $499 and what should I multiply that by? 0.25. Very good. Okay. So $499 times 0.25. You should have got $124.75. Everybody okay with that? All right. Now are we adding or subtracting that?
Subtracting.
Good. So we're going to take the $499 minus the $124.75. Okay. And what do we end up with there?
374.25.
Good. 374.25. Now, keep in mind, this is the new price. This is what we're going to be using on our sales tax. Okay? So I'm going to draw a line right here. Step 2, sales tax. Okay, step 2, sales tax. So now, again, don't use that $44.99. That price is out. And we've got $374.25. okay? So now, I'm gonna take that 374.25, and what am I gonna multiply that by?
7.5.
Not 7.5,
7.05.
Point 7.
point,
0.75.
there you go, move it 2 spots, right? So you're gonna plug in a 0 there, so it's 0.075. Okay, 2 spots over. Alright, and what do you end up with when you do that?
28.
07.
That's right, good, $28.07 when you watch your rounding. Okay, now we're gonna add or subtract that?
Add.
Good, so we got 374.25 plus 28.07. Alright, what do we end up with there?
402.32.
32, very good, so $402.32 is your final price for the phone. Okay, alright, so make sure you do discount and sales tax, make sure we're moving our decimal over, okay? Does anybody have questions so far on the first 3? Okay, then I want everybody to try number 8 on your own, number 8 on your own.